Hello everyone, I am Wicca BluMoon, and today we're going to be doing a video of I'm going to make a drawing, a design that is going to help draw my needs to me. So this is going to be for drawing in good energy, also good manifestations to you. So really, all you really need is a pencil, but just for design's sake, I'm going to use a compass here. So first we're going to be doing a circle, and then this is really the only reason why I need it. Alright, so then we're going to do a pentagram, and you can just freehand it if you want to. That's fine. This just for the video, I'll make it a little bit cleaner. And out a little bit more. Alright. Alright, so on the outside of this, I'm going to do a series of 5 runes, and these are going to help bring the good in. Alright, and then on each one of these, what I'm going to do is do a small pentagram. Then I'm going to repeat. And just depending on what you want, you can use different runes. Of course, different runes will mean different things, especially if you flip them, they'll mean the reverse. So these I already know are for what I want. So if you like to look up runes, or if you know you have a specific one that resonates towards you, you can use that. Definitely you want to use something that speaks to you. You can do any symbols that you want on the outside of this. I'm just using the runes. And definitely if you have a specific symbol, like if it's your own personal symbol, you can put this in here. You can actually put the symbols that you want on the quarters or inside the pentagram. That will help give it a little more distinction, a little bit more power. It will definitely resonate on you. And that is a good thing. All right. So for this space here, I'm going to use a rune combo as a sigil to fit right in there. Alright, so starting from here, I'm going to go round clockwise. Now you can actually write on the spiral. I kind of do that for my wards. But for this, I think it'll work out perfect. So for this, you can charge it for however many times you want to. I at least charge my tools at least 3 times before use. This I'm actually going to use, and I'm just going to hang it up on my wall to help draw the energy, the essence of the runes inward to my temple, so then I can experience what I desire. So this is all for that, and this right here is for protection. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Leave a comment in the comment section below. If you have any questions, you can always go on Twitter and private message me there. The name is Wicca BluMoon. If this has helped you, or if you like the video, definitely share and subscribe. Thank you.